Hey, this is Dave Ing. I'm working on a Mirage Hatchback today in the junkyard. We're doing the trunk latch. You'll see it here, sitting here on the trunk lid. And the first part that we're going to do is take off this fabric panel that protects the back area of the inside of the trunk lid. And what I do is I go in with a small screwdriver, and you'll go in at an angle there and kind of pull down on this clip, and that'll come out like that. And I took some of them out already just to move the video along. And there's two, and then you'll see that there are three mounting bolts here. The hardest part of this job is the back of the latch connects to the door handle on the inside. You'll see that the door handle is mounted with two bolts. I go in with a pair of pliers, and you squeeze down there, and then you push that through. I won't be able to do it one-handed here. Okay, so I release that clip, and then that just pulls through that way. You'll have three 10mm bolts. Use an impact in the junkyard, but you'll use whatever 10mm you have. And then the last thing is to take off the electrical plug. The back of the wiring harness is held in with this clip, so you'll just push that through. Did that with my thumb there, and then we'll disconnect the electrical connector once we get the latch out. Just shimmy it out whatever direction you can and avoid the wiring. There, okay, so there's a plug on the back with a 4-pin connector, and that's it. Installation is the reverse of removal. We'll see you next time.